Welcome to this tutorial on how to delete your Litmatch account. If you've been using Litmatch for a while and no longer find it fascinating, or if it's taking up too much time from your life, I'll show you how to delete your account. Firstly, head over to the Litmatch app that you've already downloaded on your mobile device. Make sure that you're already logged into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the Me button on the bottom right corner of your screen, which is your profile icon. Then tap on the Settings icon on the top right corner. You'll be displayed with different options for settings, including language change, avatar, edit profile, block list, and more. However, you cannot see any option that allows you to delete your account because Litmatch doesn't take any of your personal information. It does not allow you to change your password, set up a password, or even delete your account. But don't worry, I can give you an alternate method to alienate your account. Alienate your account, tap on Edit Profile, go to Nickname, and set up a random name that people will not identify as you. After you do this, tap on the Done button on the top right corner. Then, go to Birthday, and select a random birthday for yourself. Tap on Done again, and edit your bio if you'd like. Finally, tap on Done to confirm that you want to set this as your birthday. After you've completed these steps, wait for a while, and tap on Done again. Now, you'll be displayed with a profile where your nickname, bio, and age have changed, which means that people are less likely to identify this particular account as yours. This is how you can alienate your account if not delete it. I hope that I have been able to provide you with an alternate method on how to do this. If you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share it, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification so that you do not miss out on any of our future tutorial videos uploaded on Error Genie. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you around in the next video.